So boom, yeah. So in the other video, I don't know if you guys can hear me in it, but when this was like this, right? I put this back on so no dust or anything can fly back in. But on the other side, there's two. There's one right here and there's one right here. I left them alone on the other side right here. So what you do is you loosen this one all the way. Cause this one it can come off. It can come off. But I got this I think it's, I don't know. Yeah, it's stuck right there, I guess. I don't know, but it's no problem. But yeah, once you do that, once you take off the tin, you just move this aside and slide right off. Then it's the same process to put it back on. You just slide it back on. So you guys can see. God dang it, nabbit! Where's the other one? I just lost. Oh. So boom, we can compare it. Bada boom, be the bomb. Jelly and jam. Well, it's the same process to put it back in, you know. Oh, yeah, let's look at them. So boom, that's how you know a good one and a bad one. This one right here is my old one. So, thread's gone. They said you can drill it all the way through, but I was like, man, fuck it, I'm gonna go, you know what I'm saying, get the boat back. But yeah, boom, but yeah, but if this one fails, this one has fine thread, beautiful. But if this one fails, then, you know, I'm gonna drill that one, this one instead, you know. Process is the same thing backwards, but yeah, y'all let me know. All right, y'all take care.